So in this Freecash tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to make real money by playing Monopoly Go here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up, go to the bottom left and press on Earn. Once you guys are on the Earn page right here, just simply scroll down until you come across the offer right here of playing Monopoly Go. And if you were to download Monopoly Go and play it and earn a bunch of different rewards, you can possibly earn up to $1,228. And this is real money. So how you guys can do that, so once the game is downloaded, I'll show you guys how to do that. So simply go to this page right here where you can see a bunch of different rewards that if you can play the game, you can earn. So for example, if you were to reach board 26 within 90 days, you can earn yourself 24 bucks. If you want to reach, board 36 within 90 days, you can earn $11, etc. You can also go to daily rewards right here. So if you were to go ahead and download this and play 2 minutes, just 2 minutes of this game, you can earn 2 cents. That's pretty easy money if you ask me. You can scroll down as well. If you were to reach board 2 within 3 days to unlock your spin, you can earn up to $30, etc. So if you were to go ahead, download Monopoly Go, simply play it, and just advance throughout the game, you can possibly earn up to $1,228 and more of real money. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can make real money playing Monopoly Go here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.